Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. So VeChain shows, well, at the moment a small pullback, but that is really not noteworthy really, or significant after the rally that we have seen, because VeChain seems to be working on a third wave rally there, and we've seen 18%, at least it shows me on Tradingview, 18.5% up, however they measure that, I'm not entirely sure. Not sure if that's 24 hours or within the day, but certainly we're still up for the day. And the market is showing us a pullback, sort of currently in line with the micro count I shared earlier today on Discord. First of all, zoomed out, the idea is that this is a 1-2 setup that formed here. Wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 to the downside into the 4th of November low. Already, I don't know, a couple of weeks ago, I shared with you that as long as we're now holding the November low, the focus is on higher prices because we saw some of that momentum really go up across the sector. And we could be working on circle wave 3 to the upside there now, which could then send us obviously a little bit higher. We will take a look at that in a minute on the larger time frame. It gives us a little bit of a, let's say, better idea about where things could be going, because it's important to understand where the key risk factors are and the resistance levels. For now, the focus is on higher prices in the short term. There are two support areas that I've shared. The first one is for the internal structure. It's located between 3.7 cents and 4.2 cents. As long as we're holding above that, the idea is that circle wave 3 to the upside could still be unfolding. It takes a break below that upper micro support to indicate that a larger correction is unfolding, which would be an internal wave, which would be a larger wave 4 rather. The third wave is already long enough to be called complete. I mean, it doesn't need to push any higher from a Fibonacci extension point of view. By the way, today is Fibonacci day. I figured that out earlier today. Fibonacci day, if you want to look it up. But yeah, from a Fibonacci point of view, this is long enough for a third wave, but the microstructure, even though it's a little bit unclear, still allows for further upside extensions. So I don't want to say that circle wave 4 has started already. We might only see currently a small internal pullback, which I would label wave 4 in wave 3 of C of circle 3. So that's what I would be tracking at the moment. I'm tracking with 3.7 cents as support. So between 3.7 and 4.2 cents, that's support, micro support. That's micro support, and then we could still see a fifth wave up, and then that would be wave 5 or 3, 4, 5, and so on. So that's what I'm tracking. What happens if we break below 3.7 cents? Well, then the larger support area will become relevant, and we are working on circle 4. But at the moment, the trend is up against the upper micro support. Break below that will open the door to a larger drop in circle 4 already. In that case, it's like that. We still have a chance for one more high though, but at the moment, I would prefer that this is only an internal fourth wave, and it takes. We should now take a look at the, let's say, larger time frame, bigger picture that gives you an idea of where we are at the moment. And I'm tracking here on the long-term chart this third wave to the upside, or I should maybe to align these wave degrees. Let me do that right now. Okay, so we could be in this third wave, and then I have added this support area for the fourth wave to the short-term chart. And the idea is we could stretch now a little higher. Next resistance is, I mean, maybe I should add this one just so we have a level to watch, because we're just consolidating below the 38.2 retracement. It's just a level to watch. A break above it should send us to the March highs around 5.5 cents, then 6.17. And at some point we should get this 4-5 pattern. And how to confirm the start of wave 4, I just told you that on the smaller time frame. And then depending on how high we go, at some point we can say, okay, this now opens the door for a more bullish white count to take the lead. Now the yellow count, which is an ABC rally to the upside, isn't going to be invalidated until we break above the all-time high. But it will become less likely with a rally above 14.7 cents. The 78.6 retracement. That's when the white count will start to take the lead. But we can really only distinguish between yellow and white after this rally is over, because then the white count should hold a higher low and give us one more high. The moment we seem to be in this rally that I think could take us into the upper half of that resistance area based on what I see right now. That's the update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. If you're interested in the membership, you can find out on our channel page here what it's all about. There's a 2-minute video that explains the membership. There are some member-only videos today. I updated ICP and Aptos. Yesterday, XLM, ARB flow key, and so on. All of those were done this week. So you might want to check that out. And depending on your tier, you can also get access to Discord and access a lot of additional updates and educational content. Also, if you're interested in joining the member live stream on Sunday, the membership is for you. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.